I want battle. Where are the trolls? I don't see them. Thanks for the nice replies, people. All of you. And also thanks for the stupid replies. This is some more modeling up on the globe. And this time I will model up Mars from 4 locations. Enjoy. No, drunk idiot. You're going nowhere. Piece of shit. Hi people. In my last video while modeling up the moon I made a tiny mistake from 10 degrees. I should have added 332 degrees instead of 322. I will correct it now, but it don't change much on the end result. So lucky a viewer from me spotted this, so I can correct it now. Let's zoom out and have a look. The difference between the two is still big. That 10 degrees error was stupid, but it didn't make any difference. So like you can see, that is 10 degrees between the line and the moon. It seems we cannot triangulate anything in the sky. Let's check Mars on the 65th latitude north and 65th latitude south. On March 21. At 12:07. So here in the south, Mars have an azimuth of 282. And here in the north is 239. On the same longitude. I can put this in a model, but any blind man can see they don't pinpoint to the same direction. Let's start with the south. And both locations share the same longitude. So 65 latitude south, azimuth 282. Azimuth 282. For Mars I use the blue lines. (282). Let's move to the 65 latitude north. Azimuth is 239. Azimuth 239. For the 65 latitude north. And let's check where Mars is on the equator. On the same date, same time. Azimuth is 245. 245. Where is Mars? 180 degrees opposite from the prime meridian. Then we use 65 latitude north, 180 degrees east. And then we move the clock 12 hours ahead. So the time is 12:07. This is an azimuth of 77. 77 degrees is here. But we cannot put Mars direction here, of course. We need to twist this compass around with 180 degrees. I will take a screenshot now. I will model it up in Photoshop. because this program is a menace to twist and turn all these things around. So now we move this compass around with 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees, and now we find the azimuth of 77. Then 77 will be in this direction. And if I want to model it up on the other compass, on this compass, I need to use azimuth of 258. This line is 258 now. There is many different directions. Of course we cannot triangulate it, because science don't allow it. And of course those lines are not on the correct latitude, but we can just slide them down where they belong, but they don't change nothing on the angles. And those lines only become wider and wider, because Mars is millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of miles away. And this is how it looks like on the fold open globe map. At least 3 out of 4 point in the same direction. But those two on the bottom triangulate a little bit earlier. So maybe this is a little bit more clear. Here we have the 77 direction for 65 north, 180 degrees east, 77 azimuth. Here we have the 65 latitude north on the prime meridian. That's an azimuth of 237. 237. And this is the equator. The equator 245. 245. '65 latitude south on the prime meridian. 65 latitude south, prime meridian. Azimuth 282. 282. There is no way we can combine locations and triangulate any celestial body. And it's not about a map being wrong. The data only works locally. You can only use those maps locally to figure out the directions of your celestial bodies. And we cannot change maps or continents, because that only make it so-called worst. Flat earthers with maps must leave the coordinate system alone. Otherwise they make a mess from it. At least we have a coordinate system for the directions. Local directions. And you don't want to mess that up. Liar.
piece of shit.